Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the smiley face beetle in Heartopia. It isn't called that, but it has a smiley face on its back. It is the Asian lady beetle. This is what it looks like. It is super cute. I love that it has a smiley face on its back. So you are just going to go to the deer tower here. It spawned one time for me, so we're gonna see if it's here during sorry, I'm going to see if this works, if I'm able to use this device. But essentially it's going to be here, and it's going to only spawn when the weather is rainbow. Oops. And yeah, it's just going to be in this area essentially near the deer tower. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It's kind of hard to find it again. Like I got it one time and I was recording. So yeah, it's just going to be in this area, like on the bushes, as every beetle is in Heartopia. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!